guys, welcome to my channel Fake Polyglot. I'm not Steve Kaufman, but today we're going to talk about languages. So, the first thing first, I want to say that this episode is going to be about my languages, my future languages, and how many languages I'm going to speak. It's really interesting thing for me, and I hope for you. So, let's get started. The first thing first, how many languages do I want to speak in the future? Well, I'm not going to talk about 2050 or 2060. I just want to say my language goals by 2025. I set up really realistic goals for myself, and I'm going to speak 6 languages by 2025. Yeah, 6 languages. Well, what are the languages I'm gonna speak? So the first is Kazakh, I already know, Russian also, both of my are mother tongues. Then English, I have already C1 level. I think by 2025 I'm gonna have C2 level. I also teach English, by the way, for Kazakh and Russian students. Then, yeah, Spanish, I have intermediate level in Spanish, but B1, like strong B1 level, but I want to improve it, and I'm gonna pass Dele exam in 2023. I want to have C1 level in 2023. So what do I do for that is I found really cool channel on YouTube, which is Learn Spanish Through Stories, and there are a lot of like stories, there are a lot of, and in this like text there are a lot of expressions, useful expressions, and you can learn Spanish from these, from context actually. Yeah, so I really like it, and I found it highly useful because I tried a lot of kind of YouTube stuff, but this is really qualified content if you want to learn Spanish. I think it's more dedicated for, it's more designed for intermediate level users. However, I think it's also would be useful for beginners. So then I also watch a lot of documental movies in Spanish. I watch debates and also watch discussions about language learning, about politics, economics, and etc. So I watch I follow some of my favorite YouTubers. So that is all what I do with my Spanish. I'm gonna also, in future, I want to order several books in Spanish, like adapted books for learners, like for intermediate levels. So we'll see, and that is my goal. During the 2022, I'm gonna like break through from the intermediate level till the upper intermediate level, and in 2023, I'm gonna speak Spanish at C1 level. I'm gonna have C1 level. So then, yeah, I'm gonna pass DELE exam, yeah, for that. So then, these are my 4 languages that I'm going to speak definitely. Then I have Italian and German. I started learning Italian about 5 months ago. Well, actually I started in January of this year, but I had huge pause, so that's why I learned only like 4 months. I've been learning Italian for only 5 months, but I'm gonna restudy it and relearn it. So I set realistic goals for Italian, and the 5th language is going to be Italian. I'm gonna speak definitely Italian fluently. I'm gonna have B2 or C1 level by 2025. That's why I'm working on my Italian. So the goal for 2022 is just to reach B1 level in that language. Then goes German. I love German, and I love this language, and I like its sounding. I don't know why. I like how it sounds, and also the grammar is awesome, and the pronunciation of the words is also like pretty cool. So I like listen to German podcasts and etc. So the last one, the 6th one, is going to be German. I'm gonna speak German by 2025. It's pretty realistic to have C1 level because I have 4 years, and I think it's achievable goal because every day I learn German by Assimil. I dedicate 1 or 2 hours for German. So just imagine like 1 or 2 hours dedicating for German during the 4 years, yes, I'm definitely gonna achieve like C1 or B2 level at least. So I use Asimil, and also I use like applications like Duolingo or Drops to gain more vocabulary, to repeat them, to repeat phrases, and etc. As well as I watch some videos about grammar stuff on YouTube, and yes, that is all what I'm doing with my German. I know that by 2025 my life will be changed completely. For example, in 2023, well, I have a serious relationship with my girlfriend, and we're going to marry in 2023. And I know that maybe by that time I'm gonna have kids and etc. But I think I can manage this. I can cope with that, and this is the life, and I always will find time for making videos on YouTube about my language learning, about process, about giving some tips and advice. So also, I think that I know that a lot of polyglots have their family, the wives, and wives and kids, but they find time to learn to their hobbies, to dedicate time for their hobbies, and also by that time you need to manage the balance between family and languages. I've already made video about that, so please watch it if you're interested in that. So I think that one of the great examples of that is Stefano Suijo. Is the polyglot from Italy, from Milan, but now he lives in Brussels or something like this, and he speaks 10 languages, and also he has been learning 11th and 12th. So he speaks really good languages and exotic languages like Icelandic, Georgian, Finnish, and etc. So but as he said that the family is more important, and he only dedicates some 1 or 2 hours in the morning, and then whole of his day he dedicate to his family and for job. So I think I can make kind of similar strategy for my languages, for my YouTube videos, and I hope that I can do also. And I hope that by that time this channel will grow, and we will have at least like 100,000 subscribers. So I hope for that, and to reach this goal, I'm gonna make videos like twice or 3 times per week, and also in 4 different languages. So next video definitely is going to be in Russian, in Kazakh languages, so wait for that. And what else? So happy New Year. See you soon. Bye guys.